Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Rocket Fire Film 85 here. Today's video we're going to be unboxing the Home Depot 2026 Gargoyle. So let's get into it. So, take it out of the box. We just picked it up today. Got shipped to the store. Sure will be a store tour coming out later of that store. They have a nice background too, and it looks like it's pretty much just like one piece almost. Oh, not one piece, but like two pieces. So let's see. This bag looks like there's instructions in here. Oh yeah, there is instructions. And let's see, this is the power. So it just has a nice switch. I don't know what different switch options mean. There's two and one. We got to figure out what those mean. The bag it was in, throw that out. Here is instructions. Oh, on, off, and timer. So if you want it on timer, you can have it on timer. In my case, I'll just have it on because this will be plug in, unplug. So that plugs into the Gargoyle himself, and then there is the adapter here that plugs into, that you plug this into the wall. 4.5 volts, so it's not really anything special. We've seen that before. We can take this first piece right out. This is the Gargoyle's bot. This thing's cool. Here is, this sits on top of the perch thing, and it looks like, well, let's see. They took glue, they actually glued it. I don't know if you can see, that's either glue or melted plastic to make that stay. But this is a really nice piece. Next, accessory box. Ooh, Home Depot don't. Home Depot no. Let's see. Let's open it. And here's his head, which is also awesome. I love that sculpt. Take the sticker off though. Stick it over here, maybe. So yeah, there's his head. But you can actually attach this now. I'm going to attach the wire first. The wire just fits in there, I guess. I'm just pushing the wire inside of it. So it's not super. And there it is. Now the head is on the body. So next, take all this cardboard out. And then next, oh, this is a giant piece. Wow. This is what he sits on. That is definitely not falling over in the wind unless you have super high winds. I do not see that falling over. And then the last two things are his wings. So I'm going to get plastic off the wings and we'll be right back. Alright, now we have all the parts here. So the first thing you want to do, you can put the head on whenever I already put it on, you guys saw, is it's just gonna cut it. Alright, that's way easier than I thought. This, I believe, is it's this way. Boom. Clicked right in on that side. And now on this side. Put this on. And let me get him wired up and I will show you guys. Alright, here it is, fully put together and fully plugged in. You can see it is tall. So if you have any of the Reapers, you can see how tall it is compared to them. It is taller than the drummer, but not quite tall as the guitarist or the singer. Has this nice skull and candles on it. I like it. Has a light shining up on him, which is nice. Got lights shining on the wings. One each eye. One would have been cool in his mouth, and then one on the other wing. But still, I think 130 is an absolute steal for this thing. It's cool. It's pretty big too. To look nice with all the other stuff in my graveyard, because all the other stuff in that graveyard is decent of size, and he'll look good with like Hellspawn and all out there. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.